Your PC won't turn on. You've pushed the power button 34 times. Nothing. Is it dead? Is it cursed? Welcome to 404 Fix Found, where we fix your tech before you throw it out the window. Let's get that box of sadness running again. I know it sounds basic, but is it plugged in? Is the power strip turned on? Is your cat sitting on the switch again? Ultra secret tip. Look at the back of your PC. If there's a switch near the plug, make sure it's on. Any lights? Fans? Beeps? If it's totally silent, the power supply might be toast. Turn off any power switch on the power supply and plug the unit back into a working outlet. Turn on the unit's power switch. If nothing happens, the power supply is completely dead and needs replaced.